Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is a Ramadan something sha. Hey guys, so if you guys are seeing this video, you guys will be seeing this video either a day to Ramadan or the first day of Ramadan. I don't know. Happy Ramadan to all my Muslim brothers and sisters out there, and if you're a Christian and watching my vlog too, hello. So today I'm just going to tell you about the 6 kinds of girls you see during Ramadan. I'm just going to be doing, like, I'm trying to be funny, so I'm going to be trying to do like a little skits on like 5 types of girls you see in Ramadan. So number 1, I even made a list. We have those ones, you will know them, they are religiously like that. They are always on their period during Ramadan. From the first day 1 to day 29 or 30, they are always on their period. We know them. If you're on this table, better comment down below. Yes. Yeah, I'm on my period. Yes, thank you. Yes. I'm still not praying. I guess I'm still on my period. Yes, I'm still on my period. Yes. No, very soon. Very soon. Don't worry. Don't bother yourself. Calm down. Very soon. We're just on week 2. Don't worry. Inshallah. By next week, I'll start fasting. Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Yes. Ma, see, what I want to say and you will not understand. In my house, my family, one period used to last sometimes 3 weeks, sometimes 1 month. Throughout the whole month like this. I'm telling you, I know it's hard to believe, but throughout the whole month, our period is throughout the whole month. We don't have a break. It's every time. Don't worry, after the Ramadan, I'll pay it back. Yes, ma. Yes. Please don't tell my mommy I told you, but yes, ma. Yes, ma. Thank you, ma. Thank you. Number 2, have the one who sleeps all day. They sleep around. Maybe after eating sahur, they wake after they eat sahur and they pray subuhi, they go back. They don't wake up until when it's time to eat iftar in the evening. You know yourselves. If you are watching this video, you know yourself. So comment down below. Comment down below. You know yourselves.
8:01 p.m.
So number 3, we have the one who likes to ask what time is it. They will ask you what time is it. What time is it? What time is it? You will be tired. You'll be asking yourself that, like, yo, are we not fasting this fast together? What time is it? Since morning. So what time is it now? It's 2 o'clock. Since morning, just 2 o'clock. What time is it now? It's 2:30 now. It's just 2:30. Just 2:30 since. And number 4, we have those. I think I'm on this table. One who watches cooking videos all day but never makes the meal. Like, never makes the meal. If you're any one of these girls, comment down below. Don't worry. Let's break our fast. You will see, I'll make all these delicious. I'm going to make ofada. I'm going to make moi. I'm going to make tuwo. See, don't even bother yourself. Just sit down and relax, okay?
A few moments later.
Is there indomie at home? Me, I don't even have strength like this. I'm tired. And when I watch a cooking video, please, is there indomie? Or should go and buy this thing from Mishai? I can't come and stress myself. I beg you. Listen, I'm tired. Bye-bye. So So number 5, we have like the normal religious girl who is always in the mosque praying. She's always praying her tarawih. She's doing everything. So guys, make sure you comment down below if you liked this video. I read all your comments, I'll respond to all your comments, and I want to do more videos like this during Ramadan. That's the only way I get to know if you guys like this video and you want to see more kinds of this video. So please comment down below. I read all your comments, I reply to all my subscribers and everybody who's and please don't forget to share this video. If you have that friend that you think is one of these girls, like comment, like send it to her to watch it. Okay, so just comment down below if which of these girls you are. Either number 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. Let me say I'm number 5. Let me just say that I'm number 5. Until I see you guys next time. Bye.